Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to track trading history in XM app. Tracking your trading history is essential if you want to improve your skills and manage your performance, and the XM app keeps a detailed record of all of your trades including profile losses, entry or exit points, and timestamps. And by reviewing this data regularly, you can learn from mistakes, refine strategies, and make smarter decisions. So first, what you can do is launch an XM app on your device. And make sure to log into your trading account if you already have not so. And at the bottom, there's an option for the trade beside the markets. Tap on the trade there. And in the top here, we can find there's an option for the open positions, pending orders, and simply swipe a bit until you find this history tab here. And tap on the history, and that is it. This is where all the past trades are stored, and over here you can review your history weekly, learn from the losing, track performance over time, and avoid repeating mistakes. You can improve your strategy, reduce loss, and become a smarter trader. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.